I'm about to show you a super easy way to make some good money by just watching free YouTube videos. This is especially perfect for beginners, but really is for anyone who wants to make some extra money. I'm just going to let you know from the beginning that this isn't going to replace your full-time job, but who could say no to learning about a way to make some quick and easy extra money? If you want to learn a way to truly replace your full-time job, be sure to check out the links that I've researched and put in the description box below for you. From free webinars to other awesome methods, you won't regret learning about these make money online methods. Now that you've checked those links out, smash that like button down below and let's get into today's method. Step 1. First things first, open up youtube.com and then look up motivational videos. And obviously you're going to see all of the results of motivational videos come up. Now, don't get too ahead of yourself. You aren't going to be editing or creating any videos here. You also won't need a camera of any sort or even a YouTube account, so don't worry about that either. Anyway, you'll see that the top results come with millions of views, which is expected because it's the top result. So first, choose your top 3 videos from the results of what we searched for and just set that aside for now. Step 2. Visit uii.io. On this website, you can get paid PayPal money by having people click on your unique shortened links. This website is very easy to understand and the whole process is simple. First, you're going to create an account, then you're going to shorten your links. In our case, those links are the top 3 YouTube videos we chose. And then finally, you earn money with those shortened links. This is actually how people from all around the globe are getting paid easily and fast. You're going to get paid per person who clicks on your link, and the pay can even vary because each person is different, which is insane because that just means there's more earning potential and opportunity. To make you better understand what it actually means, just take a look over here. As you can see, if 1,000 people from the UK, Australia, Canada, Switzerland, Sweden, Denmark, or the US viewed or clicked on your link, you're going to get paid $6. If 1,000 people from the Netherlands, Norway, Spain, or Germany viewed or clicked on your link, you're going to get paid $5. When 1,000 people from Mexico or Brazil view or click on your link, you're getting paid $3. If 1,000 people from Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, or Malaysia view or click on your link, you're going to get paid $2. And for the remaining countries, you're going to get paid $1. Step 3. Now, to get your links, just choose your YouTube videos, open them up, and click on the share button right here to copy the link. Go back to uii.io, paste the link, and there you have your shortened link. You're then going to copy that new link and share it to the world to be able to get paid. Step 4. Now we need traffic. Now obviously don't forget to sign up first on uii.io before you forget, but at least you already have got the steps after signing up. Anyway, before we forget, just click on sign up free in the upper right corner of your screen and that should take you to here, and all you have to do is follow the instructions and boom, just like that, you should have an account of your own. Once you have created an account, your dashboard should look like this, and this is how you're going to keep track of your audience and your earnings and all of the stats that you may need and want to really keep track of. To shorten your links, you're just going to click on this button right here, and then it's going to take you here. And this is where you can really start the process of shortening your links. You can even put an expiration date if you want to put one on it, and you can even put an alias at the end. Then you're going to hit on shorten, and just like that, there you have it, your link. So just shorten all 3 of your links, copy all of those links, and paste them onto a Google Doc with the following written. This video has really inspired me to get on top of my goals and reach financial freedom. And then put in the link. And once that's all done, all you need to do is copy the whole thing, the whole script with your unique links attached to them, and then start distributing the post to the platforms that we're going to get to in a sec. But before that, we want you to save the file of your Google Doc and download it as a PDF file. And you'll find out why you'll need that in a bit. Step 5. Once the file's downloaded onto your computer, we want you to go to slideshare.net. And this is the place where people upload informative and random files and documents, and you have this as an example. Now you want to sign up, and to do so, you're just going to click on sign up, which is right here, and just follow the steps to sign up. And as soon as you have an account of your own, all you have to do is click on upload, and then you're going to be brought to this page right here, where you're going to be allowed to upload your own documents or files. And this is where we're going to upload our PDF file of our unique link in our script that we had just downloaded onto our computer. This is how we're going to get our income started. This platform has over 160 million visitors monthly, which just goes to show that a lot of people are avid users of this website and maybe even fans. They come here to get information, to learn more and to know more, which is why this place is perfect to get the audience that we want and that we need to finally start earning money. And it's free, which makes it 100 times better than the rest of the websites that may cater to the same type of service. So go ahead and upload the script that we have for you with the link from the motivational videos that you chose, and just like that, start earning today with this method. And that wraps up today's tutorial. If you learned something new today, be sure to hit the thumbs up button down below and comment any thoughts or questions that you might have. We love hearing from you guys. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be alerted every time we upload a brand new money-making method that you simply do not want to miss out on. See you in the next video.